Hello everyone. I hope everyone is fine at home. As you all know, we have to stay indoors. So myself, Miss Jessica from St. Paul's High School will be teaching you all art through this video. Today, we are going to learn how to draw parts of human figure. Using simple techniques, we will learn to draw an eye, ear, nose, lips, etc. Do watch it carefully while drawing. So let's start with the video. Parts of human figure, standard 3. We'll start with an eye. For that you're going to draw a plus sign with scale, and then as I'm drawing, you're going to draw it and draw another line from top. Then a circle for an eye. So it divides in two parts. That way you're going to draw and darken the lines. And from your left hand side, I've brought that line outwards and a curve. Again I'm making it dark. Inside the circle, draw another circle. See, I've taken that circle above the center line in a small circle. You're going to erase the basic lines. I forgot to do it. And then you can start shading it. For shading, it's better if you use a cotton board after shading with pencil. Just rub with cotton board, it will look good, because if you do it with fingers, then your fingers will become black. So it's better that you do it with cotton board. It's the shading part, little dark. So you're going to go from dark, middle, light, or from middle to dark. And then I'm doing the eyelashes. The stretch lines outwards. Again from down, the eye line. You also eyelashes, and we are done with the eye. I have drawn the eyebrow. If you all want to draw the eyebrow, you all can do it. And name the figure as eye. Second one, we are going to draw ear. For that, draw two circles, one big circle as I'm drawing, and below that another small circle. Then join them both. Okay, then darken the lines taking the help of that circle, and the line will go slant little, and again from down and a curve, so this way, and erase the inside circle. And while drawing, draw it very lightly, because it should, you all will be able to erase. So another line again, curve line. Like a seedling, you're going to draw the line which I have drawn. This line, bring it down. Again, draw as I'm drawing. We'll start with the shading. I'm making the borders dark. We are going to do the shading from dark to light. So dark, medium and light. Same way for the down portion. I'm going to shade it. See? Okay. So that's all for an ear. write the heading as ear. Done. Now we are going to draw the nose. For nose, you're going to draw a slant line. Like a triangle, you're going to draw in a standing line. And again, from down, the line will go little slant. You can draw with the pencil, but draw it lightly. Now see how you're going to draw one side nose. So first, from your curve, draw curve, little curve line, and again like an umbrella curve, and from this end go upwards, another curve. From first line you're going to go out of the triangle and again come on the line, triangle line. Now you're going to join this way. Darken the nose part. Okay, we'll start with the shading of the nose. So it's all depend on the shading. You can erase the triangle lines if you all want, and I'll start shading it. Here I'm doing the shading in medium. Don't do it very dark, keep it medium only. We shade it this way as I'm doing. Now we will draw the second nose. For that, draw sleeping line. Then from the center, a little bit of slant line. See, as I am drawing, leave some space, and again a slant line little. You are going to draw the front part of the nose. So the line ends from there. You are going to draw like an umbrella. See, curve shape like an umbrella, and join them this way. Okay, from down again curve and go upwards, go up this way. Now taking the help of that drawn two lines, you are going to shade that part into medium again, and from down I'm making it dark, highlight, shade them. So you'll get a U shape. You're going to shade that in U shape. See, this way. So it will show some depth. I'm going to erase the extra shading, show the highlight. So we are done with the nose. It was simple. Fourth one is your lips. This too is simple. Like we did for an eye, same way you're going to draw a plus sign. Now see how I'm drawing, taking the help of that center line. No, draw two lines, then on the center line draw curve line this way, again leaving some space, draw curve line. Now join from top, join it towards the center line, bring it downwards, same way the left hand side. Now join this way. See, as I am drawing, from this end you are going to bring it downwards and again go upwards. You get a and from down make it a little curve, and you can erase that extra lines. Okay, this way. You are done with the lips. Erase the extra lines and start shading it. Here again you are going to shade it to medium. We are done. Now fifth one, we are going to draw the hand. See, now be careful, and as I am drawing, you all are going to draw the lines. First slant line, and again standing line small, again a slant line. Okay, see, again slant line, bring it downwards, slant, standing line, little slant. Here also slant, slant line. Now while joining both the lines, see, you are going to join them in slant only, this way. Draw it very light, huh? Now divide it as I am drawing the line. Okay, now mark 3 points. See, 1 2 3. Start drawing the thumb first. It's simple if you all follow these techniques. You are going to draw the thumb, taking the help of the drawn lines. Okay, see, this way. Now starting from that end, you are going to join it here. Okay, now again draw 3 lines, the second one and the third one. So 3 parts, it gets divided into 3 parts. So join them one by one, 2 and 3. Okay, now again from top, start 1 2 and 3, and then make a curve. Done with one finger. Same way, 1 2 and 3. While drawing that lines, no, take it a slant curve, little curved. See, this way. So I hope you all have understood why we have drawn that slant line. So now sixth one, we are going to draw the feet. So for that, draw one circle lightly, leave some space, draw another one smaller than that, and again a small circle. So like 3 circles you all get, this way, like the wheels of rickshaw, no? So now you are going to join them. See, first line, draw it light, and the second line. See, join them. Now I am drawing a line this way, draw it this way. Okay. See. Now give it a shape, darken the lines, taking the help of that circle. We'll get a curve and bring it little. Now join it and bring it little down. Again a curve. Again taking the help of that circle, go up. Okay, see, this way. So it is the thumb. Okay, this way. Y'all can erase the circles now if you all want. You're done with the feet. It's simple. So now 7th one, we are going to draw side face. See, I'm divided it into 3 parts. Draw the lines as I've drawn there. You can pause the video and draw it. See now, as I'm drawing it, same way if you all do, you all will get a right face one side for the nose. See, for the nose I have left some more space again. For the lips now, taking the help of that last line. Okay, and the chin, done. Got an outline for the side face. Straight opposite to the nose, you're going to draw an eye. See, take the help of that line only which you all have drawn. Make an eye, shade it. Whenever it's necessary, you all can pause the video and draw it. For the nose, again I'm doing the shading. I know many of you all find memory drawing a bit hard, but if you all use these techniques, you all can draw it properly. It's not difficult. If you all learn and practice, it will be easy. 8-1. We'll be drawing the front face. See, now here I have divided into 4 parts. Okay, 1, 2, 3 parts, we'll name it. And the top part, we're going to take less space. Now see, we'll start from the first part. 1, from here, draw lines, go on top. See, draw the lines this way. Make the squares for the ears. Take the help of that square. Second square now, second row. The second ear. From the second, we are going to come towards the third row, third box, and join the chin part. Your outline of the front face is done. Now for the hairs, see, I'm going from second row towards the first row, or on the first box, you all can say. See, this way, join it. Now you all have learned how to draw an ear. So for the inside part of the ear, you all can lightly draw it. Eyes also, you all have learned how to draw an eye. First we'll draw an eyebrow, taking the help of that second line row. So you draw these eyebrows this way. The nose, I taught you all how to draw the nose. So taking the help of a single part that we have learned, like ears, nose, lips, you all can construct a face this way. The lips, use the same technique that I taught you all to draw the lips. And lastly, draw the eyes. And we are done with the face. It was simple. So I hope you all are going to draw it nicely, following the techniques properly. I hope you all have understood how to draw it. So this is a final drawing. Till then, take care, stay home and stay safe. Thank you.